Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. I'm Mary, and today I'm making oatmeal cookies. But these cookies don't have any added sugar. Now they do have maple syrup, which is going to take the place of the sugar, but we're not adding granulated sugar. And these are going to be different in several ways, and I'm going to see if you can figure out what the most important way is. I'm starting off with 1/2 of a cup of mashed bananas, 1/2 of a cup of chopped apples, really finely diced. Don't chop those up until you're right ready to cook these though, because you know they'll turn brown real easily. Okay. 1/4 cup almond butter. You can use peanut butter if you want, cashew butter, whatever kind of nut butter you prefer. Those are, as far as I'm concerned, they're all completely interchangeable for the most part. I shouldn't say completely. 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of almond milk, unsweetened, but if you have sweetened, I wouldn't go out and buy more just for that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of rolled oats, just regular oatmeal. This is the not the quick cooking, but just regular oats. 1/2 of a cup of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, or you could use pumpkin pie spice since we're in that season. And this is 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk, all mixed in. Now, I'm going to combine these dry ingredients to these wet ingredients. Okay. 1 cup craisins. These are dried cranberries. If you don't have dried cranberries, if you have some raisins or some chopped dates, chop up some apricots, put that in there instead. You just need 1 cup. Did you figure out what's different about these? There's no butter, there's no eggs, and there's no sugar besides the maple syrup, which we're counting as sugar in this recipe. Okay, so I'm just going to say these are healthy. I don't care. Okay, I have this scoop. I actually measured it. It is 1/4 of a cup. And each one of these cookies needs to be 1/4 of a cup. You can use a measuring cup if you don't have a scoop. Okay, see that? I'm just gonna smush them down. These are gonna go into a 350-degree preheated oven for 12 to 14 minutes, and then we're gonna see you back here. Don't go away. Da-da-da-da! How good do those look? These are healthy and delicious. Sometimes those two things, you know, don't go together. We're gonna let these cool on a wire rack for about 10 minutes and see how they taste. All done. Here are these delicious and healthy cookies. All natural ingredients. Stick these in your kid's lunch. All the other kids are going to be jealous, and your kid is going to gobble it up, and they're going to get all that goodness at the same time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing that. I will see you next time. Thanks so much. You take care now.